Today, we have a 90W PD charger from Nekteck, a brand you may never heard of. Nekteck is an affordable accessory brand, and this particular unit is one of the best-selling 90W charger on Amazon. Our unit comes with a standard cardboard box. What's special about this product is that it is UL listed and is USB-IF certified, which means it might offer better quality than the non-USB-IF certified products. Opening the box, we have a warranty extension pipe for you to extend the normal 12 months warranty to 18 months, which is quite nice. And the charger itself, and there's nothing else. The charger has a relatively generic design with a matte surface with glossy finish around the edges. It has a 2 meter 6 feet Usbc cable, which is not stiff. It also has foldable prongs, which has a nice mechanism which doesn't feel cheap at all. We have specifications on the bottom. It supports output at 5V 3A, 9V 3A, 15V 3A, and 20V 4.5A. We can see a giant USB-IF certified logo on the right. You can see it is a bit larger than the Apple 87W charger. And it is a little bit heavier too. At $30, the Nekteck 90W charger is a solid value proposition with its great compatibility and performance, a built-in Usbc cable, and US certification. But we have to tear it down to find out whether it is good inside and out. So stay tuned to chargerlab.com.